All right, are you looking to learn about investing? Do you want to learn about the stock market? Do you want to learn about how to grow your wealth, how to invest in your teens and in your 20s? Do you have questions like, what's the difference between a mutual fund and an ETF? Should I buy or should I rent? And what is Bitcoin anyway? Well, my name is Matthew David. My goal here is to help you understand everything personal finance. You might already be thinking,
who is this guy?
Well, I'm a financial advisor. I'm based out of Toronto. Day to day, I help people invest their pensions to set them up for their financial success. Last year alone, I personally advised on over $40 million. But let's get one thing straight. I'm not some online stock guru. I'm not looking to sell you any signals or any other service. I don't have any of that. What I hope to do is answer your questions around personal finance, investing, insurance, and any other topic that you like to talk about. So if you're looking to learn something new, if you're just a little bit curious about personal finance, make sure to subscribe and follow along. I'll be posting at least once a week. Well, for now, thanks for tuning in and hope to see you in the next video.